Hi there, students. Okay, to give rise to. This means to cause something to happen, to produce an effect, to generate a consequence, to initiate or to trigger subsequent effects, to result in, if you like. So A gives rise to B, A and B being nouns. Okay, so for example, carbon dioxide in the atmosphere gives rise to global warming. Okay, is a consequence of. Starting out late this morning gave rise to many further delays. Now, rise, rose, risen. Okay, so that's the verb rise. But to give rise to, with rise we only use the particle. So this is giving rise to this. That gave rise to this. Now, one thing that's very important with this construction, the to is a preposition. So starting out late gave rise to further delays. Starting out late gave rise to further delays occurring. So the to is a preposition and it needs ing. My alarm clock not going off gave rise to me getting up early. Studying English gives rise to you, object, improving your English. Okay, so to give rise to. His great success gave rise to new opportunities. Gave rise to new opportunities occurring. The earthquake in Indonesia gave rise to a tsunami. Okay, bad diet gives rise to subsequent illnesses, occurring. If you have an argument with someone, this can give rise to a bad atmosphere. So one thing gives rise to another noun, or gives rise to another thing happening. So the object and then the verb, the thing that's happening with ing. Okay, so I hope this video gives rise to improvement in your English. I hope that this video gives rise to improvement occurring in your spoken English. Okay, so that's how it works. To give rise to cause something to happen, to produce an effect, to begin the effect of, to trigger, if you like. Okay, to trigger subsequent effects. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To give rise to something.